this is definitely the closest I've ever come to doing a proper supermarket car park stealth camp. But sadly, this is not a car camping video. But the good news is my knee is definitely getting better. Slowly but surely. I can bend it in in that kind of position, so sitting like this is fine, but what I can't do yet is sit cross-legged. But in theory I could make a car camp work using this chair. I mean, I often use this chair on car camps. Well, there you go. I can totally have a table at the right height, but can I get into the bed and can I lay down comfortably is the biggest question. And I think the answer to that is a resounding yes. It is amazing how much I've missed car camping and being in the back of my car. I know it sounds sad, but I think when you're a car camper, you really enjoy the space and the freedom, dare I say. And I do feel really at home in the back. So hopefully it won't be too much longer until you see me back out car camping. Definitely not this weekend because we have to go to Glasgow, but possibly the weekend after that, so maybe 2 more weeks, and then it's been almost 2 months since my last car camp. But I suppose I better skedaddle back before Mrs. Hobbies wonders where I am. I was only supposed to be getting petrol. So until next time, take care, and I hope you've enjoyed my not car camping short.